Trombone Stand Care, essential tips for musicians. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important topic for all the trombone players out there: trombone stand care. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, taking care of your trombone stand is crucial for ensuring your instrument's safety and longevity. Let's explore some essential tips and practices to keep your stand in top condition. Before we dive into care tips, let's understand what a trombone stand is and why it's important. A trombone stand is a support structure designed to hold a trombone securely when it's not in use. It prevents the instrument from damage, keeps it easily accessible, and helps maintain its condition over time. Knowing the different parts of your trombone stand, such as the base, the support rod, and the instrument holder, is key to proper care and maintenance. To ensure your trombone stand lasts as long as possible, incorporate these daily care and maintenance routines. Clean regularly. Wipe down your trombone stand with a dry or slightly damp cloth to remove dust and prevent buildup. Inspect for damage. Regularly check for any signs of wear or damage, such as loose screws or bent parts, and address them promptly. Proper storage. When not in use, store your trombone stand in a safe, dry place to avoid any potential damage or warping. Proper handling and usage are crucial for extending the life of your trombone stand. Keep these tips in mind. Gentle placement. Always place your trombone gently on the stand to avoid any unnecessary pressure or damage to both the instrument and the stand. Avoid overloading. Never use the trombone stand to hold anything other than your trombone. Overloading it can cause damage or tipping. Position wisely. Place your trombone stand on a flat, stable surface away from high traffic areas to prevent accidental bumps or knocks. Even with the best care, you might encounter some common issues with your trombone stand. Here's how to address them. Loose parts. If parts of your stand become loose, use a screwdriver to tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten and strip the screws. Rust or corrosion. For metal stands, keep an eye out for rust. If you spot any, gently sand the affected area and apply a protective coating, such as paint or clear lacquer. Taking care of your trombone stand is as important as taking care of your trombone itself. By following these simple tips for daily care, handling, and troubleshooting, you can ensure that both your instrument and its stand remain in great condition for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the key to a long-lasting trombone and stand is consistent care and maintenance. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and happy practicing!